Hi, welcome back to Raw Real Estate Tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll be teaching us about how to use filters. Filters are very essential because it helps us streamline our details and tags on the system. Now I'm going to go to tags, all my tags. It depends on where you want or how much depth you want. Now we go over here. This is where the filters are. You click on this. Now you can see filters, my tags, followed, unsigned, private tags. Right. So if I click on my tags, it basically shows me only tags that are assigned to me. Now, if I say click on my tags, I click on followed, it comes up with showing me different tags that I am following, right? Only tags that I am following, only tags that I am attached to, I would see them here. Now, let's say I want to see tags that are not signed. Okay, nobody is signed to those tags. Unassigned tags. So it goes ahead to show me tags that are unsigned. So you can go ahead, you can play with the filters anyhow you want, whatever you want. You can literally play with the filters. It's going to give you the results that you deserve. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and I hope you were able to understand so far. Thank you very much. See you in my next video.